Hey, so this lesson is about classifying triangles by their sides. So our student learning objectives identify different types of triangles based on the properties of their sides. And the essential questions, how can we classify triangles? And below you'll see the Common Core standards. Triangles can be classified in multiple ways. One of the ways we can classify them is by their sides. We have an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. So if all three sides of a triangle are congruent, so the same length, then we identify that triangle as equilateral. Equa is a prefix for equal, and lateral means sides. So equilateral means equal sides. This is also what we consider a regular polygon. Something to note is that because all three sides are congruent, so the same length, all three angles are also congruent, so they have the same measurement. This is because the length of the sides of a triangle are directly related to the sides of the opposite angle, as we discussed previously. And we'll talk more about this when we discuss classifying triangles by their angles, and as we dig deeper into the relationships of triangles. If only two of the three sides of a triangle are congruent or have the same length, then we identify that triangle as an isosceles triangle. And again, note that because there are two sides that are congruent or the same length, then their opposite angles are also congruent, so they have the same measurement. If all three sides of a triangle have different lengths, so no sides are congruent to any other sides, then we identify that triangle as a scalene triangle. Also note, for scalene triangles, there are no congruent sides. Therefore, there are no congruent angles. And that's all I have for you for this lesson. I hope you learned some things and enjoyed yourself. Go try your homework assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on BBIM, text message, or email, whatever's easier for you. And be sure to come to live class so that we can go over some examples. Thanks.